So as promised, I'm just doing a video now that the PASCO conductometer has come in. I'm just using 0.1 HCl, so sodium hydroxide at the top, and almost 0.1 acid at the bottom. Just doing a titration. And as you'll see, I'll just leave this in real time. So it's 0.087. I think it's really worth the money. I think it's like over $300 for this. So I'm just putting like 5 mils in there. And then that little magnetic stirrer just comes off the pH meters. So once you use PASCO, everything's like interchangeable. So instead of putting the pH meter in there, I'm just putting the conductometer in there and just turning the stirrer on. And you can see that the conductivity meter stabilizes up at about 6,000 microsieverts. And so that's stable, and so I can just let the drops flow through. I could have let it through way faster than that. It currently can read them at a phenomenal rate. Speed of light, I guess. It can calculate that the drop's gone through, but I'm just leaving it at quite a slow pace there. And even at like a super slow pace, which is what that is, from start to finish, this whole thing just takes under 3 minutes. And so you can see it's starting to drop because the H plus ions are getting neutralized by the sodium hydroxide in the top. And then when it's neutral at its lowest point, there'll be an excess of OH minus. It'll go up, and then that'll be the volume. So we put about 5 mils in, and so we'll expect at when it hits 5, it'll hit the bottom near 5. And so you can see there, it's sort of worth the money because it's like you do a titration in 3 minutes rather than in like 1 hour, and then students still can't get it to work, and they're taking data manually. And then you can use this little tiny beaker so you can save on chemicals too. So I think it pays itself off, especially in time. You can actually do this and get a range of 5, repetition of 5, because it takes like 3 minutes per trial. So it's super, super fast. And there we go, we're done. And if you draw just a rough line straight up there, it's about 5 to 6 mils, so it's approximately correct. It's not brilliant, you could refine that. Everything was done very crudely and roughly. This is just a rough demonstration, but you can see all the data's right there. I didn't have to write a thing. I can just stop it now and just replace the bottom bit and keep going, just press start and do it again. Probably take 1 minute. So each trial takes like 1 minute. So definitely worth the money, definitely the best of all the methods, part 3. So highly recommend. Didn't get paid by PASCO.